Navigating electronic waste import regulations. Welcome to our video all about the requirements for importing goods subject to electronic waste regulations. As a customs broker, it is essential for us to understand and explain the regulations surrounding the importation of goods that fall under electronic waste guidelines. Let's dive in and explore the key requirements you need to know. Understanding electronic waste regulations. Electronic waste regulations are designed to minimize the environmental impact and health hazards associated with the importation and disposal of electronic products. These regulations apply to a wide range of electronic devices, including computers, televisions, smartphones, and other electronic equipment. Customs bond requirement. One of the primary requirements for importing goods subject to electronic waste regulations is securing a customs bond. A customs bond serves as a financial guarantee to ensure compliance with customs laws and regulations. It assures that any potential duties, taxes, fines, or penalties that may arise from the importation of goods will be paid. Importer security filing, ISF. Another crucial requirement is the Importer Security Filing, ISF. ISF is a mandatory filing that must be submitted to U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP, at least 24 hours before the cargo is loaded onto a vessel destined for the United States. This filing includes important information about the imported goods, such as importer name and address, seller name and address, and detailed cargo description. Documenting the electronic waste. Proper documentation is key when importing goods subject to electronic waste regulations. You will need to provide detailed records and descriptions of the electronic waste, including its make, model, serial number, and any relevant certifications. This information helps customs authorities properly identify and classify the goods to ensure compliance with applicable regulations. Container inspection. Imported goods subject to electronic waste regulations may be subject to container inspections by customs authorities. These inspections are carried out to verify the accuracy of the submitted documentation, ensure compliance with environmental regulations, and detect any potential violations. It is crucial to ensure that the electronic waste is accurately described in the documentation to avoid delays or penalties. Environmental compliance. Compliance with environmental regulations is of utmost importance when importing goods subject to electronic waste regulations. These regulations may include restrictions on hazardous substances, recycling requirements, and proper disposal methods. Importers must ensure that their suppliers adhere to these regulations and provide necessary documentation to demonstrate compliance. In conclusion, importing goods subject to electronic waste regulations requires a customs bond, filing the Importer Security Filing, ISF, accurate documentation of the electronic waste, potential container inspections, and compliance with environmental regulations. As customs brokers, we are here to assist you in navigating these requirements and ensuring a smooth import process. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more informative videos in the future. Stay tuned. This video is for educational purposes. No affiliation with U.S. government sectors.